Hello guys, welcome to another video with those bros.
And today we're going to do a video for the girls.
Because if you haven't noticed by her cool hair, our mom's a hairstylist. She's going to do a one hairstyle tutorial for you girls to try at home.
And today's model is another YouTuber, Channon Rose from Channon Rose Vlogs. Go check her out. Channon will be styling a Halo Braid.
Right now, we're showing you the finished style. And of course, she's looking beautiful and gorgeous as always. And remember, if you want those bros' mom to make another style, make sure to leave a message or an email letting us know what styles you liked her to do.
Hello guys, I'm going to use Big Sexy's powder play to start off this braid. I put a little bit on the roots and then sprinkle a little bit through the mids and the ends. And then I just start doing a regular French braid. And then I go back in and I pull it out. You'll see how I do it in a minute. I'll do another video explaining in depth how to do a French braid. I know some people have a hard time with that. But basically here I'm just gonna make the French braid first, and I will make it like I normally do, make it like a tight braid, and then I go back in and pull the pieces out. And what the powder does is it allows for, when I pull it out, it'll just stay nicely. See how I just reapplied some more right there just to continue on with the braid, and I'll continue on with the braid, get to the center of the head, and then I'll stop there and start the braid on the other side.
And remember, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notification bells for more upcoming adventures and tutorials.
And once you have done that, send us a message saying you subscribed. And girls, if you want those bros' mom to make another hairstyle, say I subscribed and let us know what hairstyle you want her to do.
All the products in this video will be linked in the description. Go check them out.
So now that I have both of my braids done, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck one braid inside the other, kind of like I did right there, and what it'll do is it'll just create one big continuous braid, and you can't really see where one stops and one ends. And then after that I'm gonna go ahead and curl the bottom of the hair. I'm going to use a wand to curl the bottom of the hair. I really like the type of wave that it does. It just gives you a soft, beachy wave. And I'm using the Numi octo wand, which I recently purchased because my other one died, and I'm actually super happy with it. It's really cool. I'm going to give you guys the name of it so you guys can look it up. So I just go ahead and take big sections while curling. I don't really care much because I don't want this to be like a super perfect curl. I just want it to have like a soft wave. So I spray every curl with Ultra Hold Spray by Cool. I like this hairspray because I can run my fingers through it afterwards and it doesn't leave the hair crunchy or make it flaky. Here's the final look. I hope this video was helpful and makes you feel comfortable with trying it on yourself. If you ever want Hair by Peninsula to recreate this on you for a special event, contact us at hairbypeninsula.com or DM us through here.
That's a pretty good looking hairstyle. And if you want us to make more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more adventures and tutorials. And here's a preview of the next hairstyle. And don't forget to subscribe to that little red box on the bottom right corner. Those bros, we out!
For today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreate one of a really fun hairstyle that I just recently saw. It's a Mohawk braid, and she's got the perfect hair for that because look how nice and thick it is. And we're going to do a fun little bun at the end.
Good looking style. Don't forget to subscribe and send us a message if you want a tutorial on how to do it.